there, guys and gals, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingandDesign.com, and thank you so much for watching my video. Well, today is June 28th and we are down to the wire. BuilderAll 3.0 is almost here, and in this video I want to share a few new features that are coming to BuilderAll come July 1st, but you still have a small window of opportunity to lock in the current $49.90 rate for the business plan. So if you have any interest whatsoever in building your business online using our all-in-one digital marketing platform called BuilderAll, then keep on watching. Guys and gals, again, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingandDesign.com. Please take just one little moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate that. All right, guys and gals, well, we are kind of like already down towards the finish line. It is June 28th. And June 30th is basically the last opportunity that you have to get grandfathered at the BuilderAll business plan rate of only $49.90. Now, before I go too far into this video, if you have not heard of what BuilderAll is and you are just stumbling upon my channel, BuilderAll is an all-in-one marketing platform that has honestly, it has helped save me a lot of money, and it's also helped me make a lot of money. And let me tell you why. Before BuilderAll, I was kind of like Frankensteining my own business. I was using WordPress. I was using a whole bunch of different type of plugins. I was trying to patch all kinds of things together, and I was trying to try different kinds of tools. I've tried a lot of tools, and I've tried some popular tools that are kind of pricey, especially if you want to do something as simple as connect a lead opt-in page to an in-house autoresponder. Just that one little thing alone would require me to upgrade to the 297 level with another product. And I'll be completely honest with you, my biggest worry was, am I going to be able to afford to pay for this tool at the end of the month before I actually get my funnel off the ground? So that's one of the things that I absolutely love about BuilderAll, because for one low price, I was able to build my funnels, I was able to connect my autoresponder, I was able to use the in-house autoresponder called Mailing Boss, and I was able to grow my list to over 3,000 people without paying one penny extra. I was able to connect everything together without Zapier or any additional plugins. Everything connects and integrates in-house together, and so that saved me a lot of money and frustration because everything was already under one roof. And another thing that frustrated me as a service provider at the time, before I discovered BuilderAll, I was doing lead converting websites for clients, and I was also doing lead converting funnels. Obviously, lead converting, you want to convert leads in a funnel, right? But anyway, I was doing that, and when I was working with the clients that I was contracted for to help them build the funnels, I realized that a lot of these people didn't really know a lot about marketing, and they were paying $300 a month in funnel software on top of what they already paid to get their funnel built out. And it was taking months for them to get off the ground. Now, some people may have the marketing budget where it's okay and that's not a big deal, but if you're new and you're just getting off the ground and you have a very, moderate budget, the last thing you need to worry about is those marketing expenses. You want to be able to focus on your craft, focus on getting your project off the ground, focus on getting your funnel off the ground without worrying that, oh my God, am I going to be able to pay this bill at the end of the month? And so I had that unique kind of perspective where I could see it from the client's point of view and also from the service provider view, and also as someone that was trying to make it in affiliate marketing and online marketing. It was, having all these excessive marketing expenses at the end of the month, it was really affecting my ability to focus on getting my stuff off the ground because I was too worried about paying the bill at the end of the month. Okay, I think we've established that. So Builderall has helped me in so many ways, and that's why, I want to urge you that if you are on the fence or you haven't, like locked in on a digital marketing platform to help you get your business off the ground, and you're watching this video, that you take action quickly and go ahead and, I have a link right below this video where you can start the 7-day free trial, but if you want to lock in the $49.90 price, then upgrade before June 30th by 11:59 p.m. EST, so that you can take advantage of that grandfathered rate. Now, let me just share a few of the tools and brand new features that are going to be launching for Builderall 3.0, which officially launches July 4th, but a lot of us are going to start seeing the changes roll over as early as July 1st. So with that being said, what can you expect to see in your brand new Builderall dashboard? Well, you're going to see a brand new Builderall dashboard. It is a completely customizable dashboard. You can bring in the tools that you use the most, and because we've got like 27 plus tools, more coming, more being developed, and you don't use all the tools, right? A lot of people don't use all the tools, but you have the ability to drag and drop the tools that you use most and totally customize your dashboard, which to me is such a game changer, because as someone who builds funnels, I know what tools I'm in the most. Like, I'll drag in the Pixel Perfect Builder and the Mailing Boss and my Social Proof, your chat bot, a site bot. These are the things that you're going to use the most when you're building funnels. So it's what you want to see as soon as you log in onto your dashboard. So that is one thing. Oh my gosh, and the Builderall Canvas. Hello, I almost forgot. The Builderall Canvas is a major game changer. You'll be able to drag that onto your customized dashboard as well. So speaking of the Builderall Canvas is honestly, I think it's like a space disruptor. I haven't seen anybody, and I don't think anyone has what we have as far as the Builderall Canvas. Now, I have done videos about the Builderall Canvas before, so I'll go ahead and link it down right below this video if you want to take a sneak preview of it. But what I've shown you was kind of like the beta version. We have more cool functionality inside of the Builderall Canvas right now, including adding your checkout automatically and integrating our brand new tool, which is the Builderall CRM, which is our Customer Relationship Manager. So now you're also going to have a CRM built into Builderall, where you are going to be able to capture leads and actually have contact information. And you're going to be able to score the leads based on the actions that they take inside of your funnel or inside of your sales process. So guys and gals, I'm telling you, I cannot show any screenshots to you right now because I am sworn to secrecy, but you will find out soon enough. So far we've got a brand new dashboard, we've got the Builderall Canvas, we've got the CRM, and we're also bringing in a brand new magazine, a flippable magazine. So if you're an author, a creator, a coach, anyone who wants to sell something online and you want an innovative, cool, creative way to display your content or your product line, you are going to love our magazine. It's a flippable magazine. I just had a gentleman the other day ask me about, if the magazine is flippable, because he does children's books, and it's like, oh my God, can you imagine a children's book with our magazine app? And we are also going to have different templates. So if you're with a travel company or you're doing business or marketing, whatever, you can create content, display it inside of our magazine app, and you can embed it into a website that you build inside of Builderall. So it's going to be super duper fantastic. And I also saw a couple other new tools, which is super duper cool. And they're little tools, but they pack a huge punch. And that is the Builderall link shortener. So if you are familiar with Bitly, what you do is you put a link inside of Bitly and it'll shorten the link, and then it'll track the traffic on it. Well, guess what? Builderall built it. So now we have access to that inside of our Builderall back office. And once we launch Builderall 3.0, I'll go ahead and I will actually give you like a sneak preview where I can actually show you. But right now I'm kind of, like I said, sworn under secrecy. I can just kind of share with you what's coming down the pipeline, but I just want you to see it with your own eyes. It's going to be amazing. So make sure that if you don't start now, which I highly recommend that you do, that you make sure to stay tuned, because we are going to have a live webinar presentation on July 4th that's going to unveil all the brand new features inside of BuilderAll, and it's going to be amazing. So anyway, and then the other thing that I saw today, which was so spectacular, is called the video tagger. And so what that is you are going to be able to grab a video that you create, right? And you're going to be able to put little tags on it. So on your actual video that you can embed on a BuilderAll website, or I'm not sure that you can embed it anywhere yet, not 100% sure, so don't quote me, but you're going to be able to embed tags. Like, you're going to be able to put your email, your Facebook profile, stuff like that, and there will be live clickable buttons on your video, so people can actually click on that button and go to your Facebook business page or wherever you want to send them to right from your video. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I've never seen that before. Maybe I've been under a rock, I don't know, but I've never seen anything like it. And I'm like, that is super cool. So guys and gals, listen, lots of amazing things coming to BuilderAll. There's always something new coming to BuilderAll, and that's why I love it so much. So it doesn't just save you money, it helps you make more money, keep more money in your pockets, because now you've got everything under one roof right inside of our system. So if you're anything like me and you want to have a tool that supports your growth or supports you getting off the ground without worrying about your marketing expenses at the end of the month, check out BuilderAll if you haven't already. I will have a link right below this video, and if you partner with myself and Team Rise, which is my digital marketing team inside of BuilderAll, but if you partner with me on the business plan, you will also get access to our exclusive team bonuses, our exclusive team training, once a month marketing coaching designed to help you become a better marketer, and you will also get access to our amazing supportive community as well. So I will have a link right below this video if you want to check out a full presentation that I did for our team. But just keep in mind that on June 30th, when the clock strikes midnight, like Cinderella turning into a pumpkin, or Cinderella's carriage turning into a pumpkin, the price goes up to $69.90, which is still an incredible value for what we are offering. So, but if you want to lock in that rate at $49.90, click on that link right below and look at it, think about it, but act really, really fast if you want to lock in the BuilderAll $49.90 business plan rate before it goes up on July 1st. So guys and gals, I hope that this video got you excited for what's coming. I will definitely keep you posted on all the updates of what's coming in BuilderAll. Lots of exciting things coming, and for someone who's in digital marketing, who's really all about building a business that also allows you to have a life, you know, I was looking for those tools that were going to help me, you know, make money in my sleep or make money when I wasn't at my computer, and I needed a place where I could use funnels and use all these tools without breaking the bank, let's be honest. So BuilderAll has truly helped me do that, and so because I love them so much and because it's helped me so much, I've become one of their top affiliates just because I believe in the product so much, and I just want to share it with as many people who are out there who were like me, who maybe they really have a dream of building their business online, but right now, wherever you are, maybe your budget just doesn't allow it. And even if you do have the budget, who wants to just give their money away, right? I love to get the most value for my money, and BuilderAll helps me do that. Stay tuned, guys and gals, because I reached a huge milestone in my business. I've sponsored over 300 partners into my business, and I'm going to be doing some training, sharing more about the insider tips to help you really get out there and start truly getting results in your business. And we're gonna, you know, do a deep dive into some more marketing topics and stuff like that coming very, very soon. So make sure to hit that notification bell if you want to be alerted when I upload those types of videos. So thank you so much for watching, guys and gals. Make sure to lock in that $49.90 rate while you can. The price goes up on July 1st, so act fast before June 30th. And that is all for now. So thank you so much for watching. This has been Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com. And as always, I will see you on the next video. Bye.